Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. I've got an unboxing for you and a giveaway in this video. We are unboxing the February iPsy Glam Bag, as well as we'll be giving away one of the products in here. I don't know which one yet. My giveaways are really easy. You must watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in here is a secret word that you're going to need to know, and then make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. So every month I also do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of January. I meant this was the January iPsy Glam Bag, not the February one. For the month of January, my giveaway is the Viseart eyeshadow palette. I do an eyeshadow palette every month. This is January's. February's, I have a sneak peek for you guys. It is from the Hip Dot C Note palette. This will go live in February. So the Glam Bag ships out every month. It's $15 a month. There's usually beauty, skincare. They're most of the time sample sizes, deluxe sizes. Every once in a while there will be a full-size item in here, and there's usually a makeup bag with that. So let's find out what's in here. And I do have a code for iPsy. It'll save you a little bit, and it kind of helps me out on future iPsy purchases. If you want to use that, that is in the description box down below. So the bag this month is this cute little dream bag. Has a light blue tab here. It does say iPsy down here on the side. And it's kind of a little bit of little see-through-y. Cute. And I love how, because this is more of a plastic, you can easily take, if something spills, take a makeup wipe and easily clean it up. So it does have a card that says, "What looks are you dreaming of? Your 5 Glam Bag products are here to bring them to life." Says the January 2021 Dream It. New month, new year, phew. And the sky's the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. So the first product is one that I have tried before and I really do like. It is the Hava Sea Kissed Mineral Hand Cream. It's important to hydrate your skin year-round, especially during the cold winter months. But it's easy to forget this step on your hands. Keep a healthy hand cream within reach like this one, made with Dead Sea water for a dose of nourishing minerals and skin-soothing witch hazel. Tip, we love it on our hands, but this stuff works really well on our heels too. Full size of this, it does retail for $24. This is just a deluxe size. You guys, I love this, and I love putting this next to my bedside table. I have a little basket there with hand creams and like little lip products that I can put on like right before I go to bed. So love this. Here is one from Ciate London. It is their Illuminating Blush. And when you want to amp up your glow in a pinch, this rosy pink blush highlighter hybrid is all you need. The long-lasting formula won't fade for up to 12 hours, and the silky power texture blends and builds over makeup seamlessly with no streaks, harsh lines, or cakiness. Tip, we love to blush it up, but it's also pretty on the lids for a luminous 3-dimensional effect. The full size does retail for $36. This is really, really pretty. It's got kind of like a rose indent to it. Stunning. It kind of reminds me, because it's got the shimmer in it, a little bit of my Hourglass Ambient Light one. What it kind of reminds me of. Here is the swatch from it. And there's kind of what it looks like on the hand. Just a really natural glow to it. Ooh, this one's pretty. So from SL Miss Glam, it's a Glow 2 Illuminating Blush in Matchmaker. Ooh, super, super duper soft. Has a little ombre effect on the bristles. And we know you hipsters love brushes, and so do we. And this beautiful lilac brush perfectly fits in the contours of your face and blends the blush to perfection. It picks up the right amount of pigment without streaking and with minimal effect, a total win. Tip: wash your brushes weekly to keep germs away, hanging upside down to dry faster. Full size, which this is, retails for $19.50 right there. Just paid for your bag. And I love the little crystals right in there. They're just so pretty. This handle is gorgeous. From Youth to People is a Super Hydrate Glow Oil. And there's no better time to add a moisturizing, boosting face oil to your skincare routine. This one seals in with hydration thanks to the prickly pear and squalene oils to protect your skin from the drying effects of winter weather. Plus a dose of antioxidant-rich berries to oomph up your glow. Use clean hands to press the oil onto your skin to lock in moisturizer and up your glow. I do use an oil after I put on my moisturizer. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size retails for $44. Here's what the inner packaging looks like. So the next two are two different masks, and they are from Soy A. They are Hang Bag Sheet Mask Duo Collagen and Hyaluronic Acid. This duo is here to help get your skin plumping and hydrate ASAP. The collagen mask is specially formulated with 10 traditional herb extracts and adenosine, known to make skin soft and supple, and the hyaluronic acid mask helps major hydrating powers. Tip: once you remove the mask, massage remaining essence into your face, neck, and chest. These are full size. They retail for $5 each. If you are new here, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks. I'll take like a hydrating one and do 5 different hydrating ones and then rank them. And then I'll do the same thing with like a recovery one, same thing with like a mud mask, overnight mask, yada, yada, yada. So look for these in an upcoming masking review series. So I thought it was a pretty good box. I mean, you got some full-size products in here. You got some really cool samples of sizes. So I thought it was one of their better boxes. So let's give away the Youth to People Glow Oil. I think you guys will really like this. I mean, the full size is $44. So I hope you guys like it a lot. So my giveaways are really easy. Just make sure to like this video, watch it in its entirety, know the secret word, which is dream. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to only fill it out once. That way it's fair to everybody. And then make sure to put on it your YouTube name and then also what that secret word is. You must be 18 years or older in order to enter or have your parents' permission. You can have 2 extra bonus entries. If you go follow me over on Instagram, that'll give you an extra bonus entry. And then if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here. And then so when the end of the giveaway, let's have this giveaway in February 14th. And then on February 17th, we'll announce the winners, probably doing that spin the wheel since you guys seem to like that. And then for the people who have extra bonus entries, I'll go ahead and put the extra entry in. Don't fill out the form. I'll go ahead and do it for you. Those forms are really secure. I'm the only one that has access to it. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I will go ahead and then delete that form. This giveaway is open internationally. I am though not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, loss, and transit damage. anything extra for it to get to you. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate you checking them out. Like I said, I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.